Here's how to set up voice to text on the iPhone, and let me show you exactly how it works. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So the voice to text is also called a dictation feature, and it can be found in the settings by proceeding to the general section, and in there you can find the keyboard. So it is one of the options. The menu is there, and we are interested in the dictation. So at first you have to enable it, make sure that the green toggle is on next to enable dictation. There are also more things which you can customize, like the specific languages you want to use for it. Perhaps you only want to dictate in one, but want to use different ones for the keyboard. However you have it, make sure that it fits your needs. But the point is that then whenever you want to use the voice to text, you can just open up any place where the text field is available, wherever you want to type with your keyboard, and you can tap on the microphone and you can just speak whatever, and it will be transcribed to the text automatically. So, it's going to behave like a regular text. You can send it as a message or whatever. So it's not like a voice recording. It's a, immediate transcription into the text. So that could work. Depends on your situation and what you're trying to do. Outside of that, I also need to mention that in the latest versions of the iOS, you can as well record a voice memo, using the regular recording process, the built-in app. And there is the ability to also see the transcript of this. So you can literally just speak whatever into the, voice note and then copy it all as a written text. So I know a lot of people that could prefer that option more over just a regular dictation. So yeah, give it a try if you need more text to be used or typed with your voice. So that's all I wanted to show and explain in this video. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.